everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're working on a gold and green birthday cake, and to start with we're using our piping bag to apply our green icing in this cake. Next thing we do is get the top of the cake smooth using our spatula. When you're holding your spatula, ensure you hold it really leveled. Next thing we do is get our cake scraper and take off the excess icing on this cake. Now we're filling in the dips on this cake with more icing. Now when you're trying to make your cake straight, make sure your hand is really leveled and straight while holding the cake scraper. Now while trying to make this cake straight, I discovered the top half of it was a little bit wider, so it wasn't as straight on the sides as I wanted. But to fix that problem, all you need to do is make sure your cake scraper is straight, and then you take some icing off the top half of the cake as you're about to see now. So we're scraping as much icing from the top half of the cake because it just wasn't straight. Now to close and seal off those holes, we are going to slowly smoothen the icing. Next, we're applying some wafer paper bits. We've dyed this in different colors. We have white, gold, and then a transparent one. We're using our tweezers, but it became a little difficult with the tweezers, so I decided to do it by hand. Now we're just applying the rest of the wafer paper bits on the cake board to make it look a little flowing. Now this is a regular cake topper, and I snapped the elongated end of the cake topper. So what I'm going to do now is apply a little bit of icing behind and then just stick that to the cake. Make sure it's straight, and then make sure it's really pressed into the cake so it doesn't fall off. Now here's a couple of butterflies that I made earlier, and we're just going to find a suitable position for the butterflies, add a little bit of icing behind, and then stick that right on the cake. If you want to see the videos on the butterflies, please check out the shorts section on the channel. Now we're going straight forward to adding a little bit of sheen to this cake using edible gold leaf pieces. Now these are totally edible and they are safe to be on the cake. Yes guys, we've gotten to the end of the video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.